Oops. Oh, hi. Welcome to the second episode of Are You Ready to Be a Model? I am Aimee Cheng-Bradshaw. As a professional working model, it is very, very important to maintain a good complexion. Bad skin can not only affect your self-confidence, but it can also limit the kind of jobs that you can pick up. So, do you ever wonder how models maintain glowing skin without makeup? And how do we maintain our good complexion in this hectic life of ours? In this episode, we have Joy Tan and Violet Chan from the Style Atelier to share with our 15 trainees our skincare regime that every model should know. Let's go!
As mentioned, this is Violet and I'm Joy, and we are both from the Style Atelier. We're going to talk about how do you identify your skin condition, proper makeup removal, okay? And then finally, we'll close today's session by talking about skincare regimen. On your table, you actually see two sheets of blotted, right? Blotting paper that you see here. On your face, different parts of it, and see which parts collects oil. That will also tell you what is your skin type.
You to use the next, okay, instead of 10 minutes, right, take a quick 5 minutes and apply makeup on each other. So I'm going to show you various methods for makeup removal. Okay, so the way to use this, right, is that you need to first shake it. So for this, we are going to use the dual phase micellar water, okay, to remove the rest of the makeup on the face. Moisturizes your skin at the same time. So this is like the second generation. Still need to use a facial wash. You can splash water onto your face to clean everything off, and then when you towel off your face, right, you pat your face dry, you don't wipe. Moist lotion, okay, but there's an option of 1 or 2. Comes out like water, and okay, so spread it out between your palms, and then what you do, right, is that you apply this by a tapping motion. Because this is in a more liquid state, yeah, meant to be smaller in molecules and therefore easily absorb into your skin. There is no need to do heavy massaging. Right, this step is for your eyes and the dry areas on your skin and on your lips as well. So this, I make sure it goes on the corners of my nose. Yeah, apply it under the eyes as well because the skin there is thin. Okay, and then apply it on the lips. Is this thing that works like a sleeping mask. Okay, you use this at night. You can also use this for your daytime routine.
The regime is super easy, right? Just remember 3 steps: cleanse, tone, and moisturize. For models who are constantly on the go like me, the Bifesta cleansing sheets are exceptionally handy, especially for when I need to remove my makeup in between shoots or if I'm running to a dinner after a fashion shoot where I had super heavy makeup on. Speaking of makeup, on the next episode of Are You Ready to Be a Model, our trainees will be learning how to create the standard makeup look that is suitable for every single casting. See you!